Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've wanted to dive into data analysis or create stunning interactive dashboards, Power BI is probably on your radar. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Power BI on a Windows 7 computer. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get it up and running smoothly, even if you're not a tech expert. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll head over to Google. Now, you might already have a shortcut to your favorite browser, maybe Chrome, maybe Firefox, so just open that up and type in Google.com if it's not your homepage. In the search bar, go ahead and type, Download Power BI Desktop for Windows 7. If you're wondering why we're adding Windows 7 to the search, it's because Microsoft's support for older operating systems isn't always guaranteed. We want to make sure we're getting a version that'll work for you. After you hit enter on your search, you'll see several results, probably some from Microsoft itself and potentially some from tech forums or download sites. Now here's an important moment. Don't just click the very first link. Take a second to scroll down a bit and look for the official Microsoft website or trusted sources. This way, you'll avoid any sketchy downloads that might have unwanted extras. Before you rush to hit those download buttons, let's pause and check something crucial: the system requirements. Somewhere on the Microsoft page, usually a bit farther down, you'll see a section labeled System Requirements. Go ahead and scan through that list. You're specifically looking to see if Windows 7 is named as a supported operating system. This step might feel like a formality, but it's super important. Imagine spending time downloading and installing, only to realize it won't even open on your machine. If Windows 7 is listed, you're good to proceed. If not, you might want to look into compatible older versions or consider upgrading your system down the road. Once you've confirmed compatibility, keep your eyes peeled for the install instructions. They're often found just below the download button or in a related section. These instructions can give you a quick heads up about anything unusual you might encounter during installation, like prerequisites or language packs. Even if you're familiar with installing software, it never hurts to double-check, since sometimes Power BI updates its requirements. Ready to move forward? Let's click that download button. Depending on your internet connection and the speed of your computer, this part might take a few minutes, so don't worry if the progress bar is crawling along. Maybe treat yourself to a quick coffee break. Once the installer is finished downloading, go ahead and run the file. Windows might pop up a security warning. It's just checking that you really do want to open this file. Click Yes or Run to continue. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Usually, it'll ask you to agree to the license terms and pick an install location. I'd recommend just going with the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. The actual installation might take a couple of minutes. You'll see some progress bars stirring along. Take a breath, almost done. When it wraps up, you might get a prompt to launch Power BI Desktop immediately. Feel free to start exploring or wait until later. Either way, congratulations. You've just installed a powerful tool for visualizing and analyzing data, all on your trusty Windows 7 machine. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There are plenty more tech tutorials coming your way. And if you hit any snags, drop your questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.